What's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and I'm super stoked today. I'm on my way, just left school. I'm on my way to a tire place, picking up some new rims and some new tires. I'm so hyped. Like, I ordered them about a little more than a week ago, and the rims I got are the ESR SR01's. They're being shipped from California. So they just came in today. The tire place that I ordered the tires and the rims from just called me today. They were like, oh, your rims are here, tires we have here already. I'm like, sweet, I'll be there right after school. So I'm on my way now, and I'm so hyped. You have no idea. Catch you guys when I'm there. Alright guys, I just pulled up to where I needed to be. The lot is a little packed right now, so I'm gonna wait a little bit for a few cars to pull out, and then I'm going in.
And becoming the best at it and mastering myself and seeing what I have within me. If you decide to drop your buckets where you are and develop your gifts, I grant you, you'll never ever be without. I grant you that your gifts will take you places that will literally amaze you.
I was just looking at that side. I'm like, what the hell? Damn. The rims are on. I'm on my way back home. My phone is dead, and my charger in my car is deciding not to work today. So I really hope I know where I'm going. But I guess we're gonna figure that out in about whenever time I get home, if I do. And somehow I managed to get 3 tires behind me and my 4th one in my trunk. I don't even know how I did it with my longboard here, and then I actually put my backpack up front. So somehow there's 3 tires behind me, and yes, they're on a drop cloth. I'm not sure how much of a good job the drop cloth is doing, but at least I'm putting an effort in keeping my back seats clean. But I was like I'm just looking at my reflection of my rims through like the cars next to me. I'm like sick. Like, be quiet. So yeah, I think I'm finding my way home. My phone, I think, is on finally. Yes, it is. Minty. All right, catch you guys home. Okay, guys, I hear him. Oh man, here he comes. See what we got, boys. Damn. Look at those. This is how I'm gonna be parked for the next 3 weeks. Holy cow. This is how I'm gonna be parking. Look at those. I got my 3 tires in the back. Full set.
Got 3 in the back and the 1 in the trunk. These things are clean as anything. Alright guys, let's watch them scrape here.
Yeah, I'm so afraid. I'm done, that's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying, I'm not even joking. That's actually what I'm saying. Alright, so it's been a little while, maybe a couple hours, 2 hours. And I've been driving around a little bit. So scared I want to hit the curb. This is how I've been parking. Like a good 1.5 feet from the curb. But I ain't scraping. I'm not doing it. So, the rims, these are 19-inch rims. My fronts are also 19s. They're 19 by 8.5s. And then the backs are 19s by 9.5s. And then the tires... The tires are 245 in the front with the let me show you. All right, so in the front I have 245 with 35, and then 19-inch rims, of course. And then in the rear I have 275 with 30, and then the 19-inch rims. So looks super clean. Definitely changes the entire look of the whole car. I'm gonna have pictures up on my Instagram hopefully sometime soon. Instagram right here. And also with this having the wider tire, it fills out the gap right here. Like with my other tire, it was like in more, so it wasn't as flush as that. Oh, here comes Anthony. I hear him. Alright guys, so that's it for this video. I hope you guys like the rims as much as I do. I'm really gonna need some blow pretty soon, but I might have to wait out the winter. So again, this is the Hyper Silver 19-inch rims. Got the phone ringing in my video. Alright, that's gonna be it guys. Peace. Catch you guys in the next one.